We're the Feds, Team 201 from Rochester Hills, Michigan. This video is a part of our G201 initiative to make FIRST robotics teams and the world more sustainable. This video will include how-to instructions on a project we have created to reach this goal. Thank you for watching, and please feel free to check out our website, feds201.com, to learn more about our team.
Hey guys, this is our 2025 solar powered battery cart. Electrical aside, building this cart was actually really fun and really informative experiment. It helped us train a lot of freshmen on the team and new members of the team, like general woodworking skills and woodworking things to apply to other projects. So pretty much we started with these two side plates right here, and we put some 2x4s in between them to act as the racks for the actual batteries themselves. As you can see, the cart mainly utilizes gravity to just let it sit in there. The complicated part of this build was for the back of the thing. We actually had 2x4s along like this with little bit with wood in between to actually act as separators. And so we just lined it up, got enough for 5, cut 2x4s to the required size, and basically put it together. Screw through here, screw through here. This came on all afterwards, of course. And then on the back, we got a little panel, just for neatness. A little handle. The math could be better on that because the weight is a weight of 10 batteries is something else. But yeah, generally it works really well. We're really happy with it. We're going to see how we can improve it.
So this solar-powered battery cart takes old batteries that are at the end of their life and allows them to be recharged and used for other things. So here we have 3 batteries that are all at the end of their lives, and we've connected them together in parallel, meaning every single negative terminal is connected and every single positive terminal is connected. This is important so that way they all charge at the same time. The way that we connect these wires is by using a wire nut, and you just screw the wires like a knob. Once the 2 wire nuts are firmly connected, then you can begin to charge the battery. And the battery is charged using solar panels, which take energy from the sun, and they bring that energy from the sun, and they take them to this thing called a charge controller. Here, come around here. And they take them to a thing called a charge controller, and then that charge controller then sends the charge to the battery, so that way the batteries can actually be charged at a certain rate, because the sun's brightness changes during the day. This helps them become charged at a constant rate. Once the batteries are fully charged, they're then connected to a power inverter, and then the power can be used as AC power and can charge small devices and power small appliances.